Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to show how to install the water purifier in Canton. So I have already ordered this one and this item today they have to deliver them. Okay, so within this box here we can see this different type of specification was given. So I will going to show one by one equipment of this purifier. Okay, so let's start. First of all, this container is available. First one and two container is available. Okay, so this one is the bottom one and this is the another another. Okay, and another also different equipment is available, also this one. Okay, this is one is the connector in between top and bottom. I will show one by one how to install all those things. Also they have to give him this one. Okay, so also this was the cover. Here you can see it. And this one you can see this in Canton UF membrane. Okay, this is the purifier. Through this it is purifying. Okay, now another is the carbon. This is carbon content is here. So there are up to carbon. Okay, now another equipment, this is the injection is here, and another is the this one is the filter paper. Two numbers of filter papers they have to extra provided. Okay, so with rest, and also this is the tap pen. Okay, this is known as tap pen, and this is also one kind of screw. Okay, so how to install one by one I will show. So this one is the first, and here we can see this one. So we will open this one. Okay, bolt, and just inside this one just keep it in vertical, and also going to set in very good, very slowly and very comfortably, that it should not be damaged. Okay, so I am fully tight of this one. This is set it. Okay, so after that there have this in between two container. If I will set this one, it is set like this. Okay, here you can see. After that this is the upper. Okay, upper container. In this container we can set like that. Before going to just set over there, you must provide it or connect with this one. This one is the UF membrane. So UF membrane there have to two sides input output. This is this one and this one. Which one is the very small type of diameter? This one I will connect with this. Also you can see that your reference here you can see that this is the flow is going to arrow downward. Okay, so from there you can see that you can open both sides. Okay, both leaf in I am opening. Okay, so both leaf is opened. Now here you can see that the small diameter have to connect with this one. Just small push this in. Okay, this is the fully connected. Here you can see that just small normally the push will be applied. Okay, so after that you must keep here in. Okay, after that here you can see this one is the carbon, the carbon purifier. Through this there have this one which is showing this is the filter paper. Okay, after after 7 or 10 days you should do one type of you should do the refresh and then the cleaning of your these things. Okay, after that another most important point, which in this one, this layer if you will remove before the installation, also there was given the remove this flap, flap at the time of installation. So when you will install of your device, then this thing will be removed and gradually set over there. Okay, so I will show how it is the settings. Okay, so before going to say this one just kept here, and after that this carbon purifier just rest here. So before going to use or the insert or discharge of water over there, you must clean out of your these things. How you will be clean all those things? Just water is kept here, and just shake of this water, and after that you can see that's the black carbons water can be flow out, and after few 2 to 5 minutes it should be removed, and you should just set over there like this. Okay, so after that here we can see and after you can cover by this. Okay, so this is the simple system to installation of this the camp water purifier. Also within with this equipment there have to this one also available, this injection is available, also available for this filter paper. After a certain duration you can change of this in the filter paper. And this is the another screw. I will show how to use one by one things. Okay, just I am okay dismantling all these things. This one after few durations you must be change of your filter paper through this. Here we can see that I am opening by this way. Okay, here we can see the action through this way. This one is the filter paper. Okay, so this filter paper you should remove, and after few hours, not few hours, after few time interval, 3 or 4 months, and after that you can insert another filter paper. So through this way you can clean out of your carbon layers. Okay, so filter paper use, I think you have to got this why they have to provide extra filter paper. Another is in just I am dismantling this one. Okay, so if you after 1 year you should to change of your membrane. So first of all this one is used to dismantling of this one. So how I will dismantling, just you should insert this one here. Okay, and you have to insert, and you can directly push. Okay, this is no, you can see it here. I am setting there. Okay, okay, if you do not do this thinking carefully, then it is in damaged. Okay, so be carefully to remove this one. Okay, I am trying to yet now I do not do. Okay, so first of all through this way you can open out. Okay, after that after certain durations you can clean out by this by this injection. Just take into this sealing some pure water, good water, and just insert through this. And after that during installation you can also push some good water through this because of some of this void, air void will be remain into this there, and through this and that's causes the water flow would not be properly done. So that's why you can inject of extra water by pressures, and through this the air will be come out, and containing or whatever the uniform to water flow will be occur. Okay, so this is the fully uncovered systems, or the full systems of install of Canton water purifier. So this is the simple. I think you have to got this point. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.